Following up on my previous video of the foundation repair for my property here under contract, I'm representing the buyer, Northwest Houston. We can now see that the holes have been clearly dug and the jacks are in place. They are lying on top of a pillar which is no longer visible, and then another concrete block, another block, and then the actual jacks. And the house is being lifted as we speak. It is a progressive endeavor. This guy is the head of the crew and he calls the shots. The engineer is inside, and slowly but surely the house is being leveled. It's a process of simply leveling the house, lifting here, lowering there, and it's actually quite amazing. Very interesting to see how this is done. It's our engineer right there. This is only for the office. And yeah, so slowly but surely things are brought into place. And these guys do it every day, and they've been doing it for years. So very solid job.